Hello everyone. Audible to everyone?
Yeah, Deepak, hello. You are
Great.
audible.
Let's wait for few minutes till others join. If anyone have any doubts, then they can ask. Anyone have any doubts, then please go ahead. Till that we are waiting for others.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Uh, yeah, hi Deepak. So actually, I missed the last two sessions,
Okay.
so I'm not aware, quite aware of what is happening.
Okay. So basically, we have been learn about prompt engineering and RAG and LLM, different kinds of the LLM models and all these things. So how do you get to know about this? Like after two sessions?
No, I got a notification, but I didn't get time to join.
Okay. Okay. No worries. So give me a bit.
Do you have the recording session?
Yeah, yeah, I have everything. I'm sharing my screen, so
Okay,
that will help everyone to understand where that you guys will get the whole recordings. Okay,
okay,
so it's visible.
yeah,
So basically, if you will go and yeah, so this is our channel, HiDevs. So if you go into the playlist, so we have the different playlist. Okay, so this is the first playlist where you will get the Gen AI session. Okay, there's a program cohort, whatever that you want to say. Okay, the proper everything is available here. This is one. Okay, and after that the currently what's is going on, so that you will get it here. This is session 1, session 2, and this is a workshop again which is related to this, so that's why we keep it here, because that's our related content, so that will help. So this is the last session, this is last to last. So this is how that you can access, and once you will complete this, and if you want go into the deeper, then what you can do, you can just take this particular playlist, and that playlist have the content, projects, everything, it is available there. And if you want to go into the data science projects or data science boot camp, so this is the data science boot camp, so you can try out that as well. So this is how that's the whole content is available. I'm sharing this link in a WhatsApp group. Are you in the WhatsApp group?
yeah. I think it is there. Yeah, I think I have that group.
Yeah, that's great, that's great. Yeah.
So you're saying to go through the workshops first and then
Yeah.
the AI program, the Gen AI
Yes,
cohort
yes,
program.
yes, that's the best way to do.
Okay.
Or if you
So
want
this
to
is
figure out about yourself, okay, so what you have to be go, what's the roadmap that you have to follow, then you can apply on our website. Then we will take your interview. Proper interview will be happen by our AI agent solution, and with the help of that we will able to give you the personalized roadmap, and that is applicable for everywhere.
but but we need that Python and like
No, no, no.
statistics
No, 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 nothing is requirement. So
and
you have to just go on our website. You have to click on enroll now, and once you will enroll, then a proper invitation of the interview will be sent to you, and you have to give that interview, and a report will be given to you with the proper personalized roadmap, and on basis of that you can able to see how much it is relevant to you and where you are standing. So this is how that we are different from others, that we are giving the every student their own roadmap. We are not saying that the particular thing, take an example of you know data science and Python very well, but there are the few people who don't know. So in that case the roadmap that we build for you is not the same which will be uh, given to the others. Okay, and this is one factor, and the second factor, people are learning Python from the different sources, but still they are not able to find not able to give the good answers in the interview. Again, everyone's capability and thought process are different. So in that case we are creating the personalized roadmap for everyone. So that's why you have to give the interview, and once the interview will be done, and it's totally free of cost, we are not charging first round of interview pricing anything to anyone. So this is how that you can do it. Make sense?
can you just send this link of
Yeah,
this
definitely,
enroll
definitely,
in the
definitely.
chat?
Yeah, yeah. So that's the website. Because when you are going into the different courses like Udemy, edX, and YouTube, so there are a lot of courses are available, but you guys are not aware, and you don't know what is the best for you. So we are figuring out by our 45 minute of the interview what is the best for you. Okay, and on the basis
It's
of
just a
that,
mock interview, right?
yeah, yeah, it's totally mock interview, one-to-one discussion, and it will going to be happen with our AI agent solution. I will not come here, but my own system will come and they will ask you the question and you have to give the answer, and then we will analyze and guide you throughout the program. Make sense?
Yes, yeah. So, what did you cover in the first and the second session?
Yeah, so we cover 1 second. I think do I have that particular 1 second? Okay, I have
Okay.
that document as well. Yeah, here it is. So we covered this day one LLM, Gen AI, prompt engineering, different type of prompt engineering, open source, closed source, which to take, which not to take, how to access open source LLM models, and we did some hands-on. And after that, in day two, we go into the how to create the knowledge base, what is RAG, and all this kind of the things. So if
Can you
any,
just share this document
yeah,
in the
yeah,
chat box?
yeah. Mm, okay. And if you want to learn more about, so like we have like this link, you will get into the YouTube as well. So this is a whole curriculum, so from here that also you can learn. So there are a lot of things that you can learn. Okay, got it. Any other questions? Dipti, yeah.
Yeah. Did you share the document? I'll just
Yeah,
go
yeah,
through.
yeah. Everything is in the chat.
We didn't get it actually.
Sorry.
We didn't get the document.
No, it is in the chat now. I think you are not into the WhatsApp chat.
Oh, the WhatsApp. Okay, okay. I thought this chat box.
No, no, in the WhatsApp. Everything in
Okay,
the WhatsApp, shared in the WhatsApp chat.
sure.
Yeah. So, anyone have any doubt in this image that whatever we have been studied, yes, in the last session? Okay. No one. Okay. Yeah. So, we'll go few more things today. Okay. So this is where that we cover what are the different data sources are there. We have to go through the data pre-processing engine. Okay, how we are going to do, then we are doing the splitting, then vector db. Why vector db? Because we need to convert into the numbers, and after that embedding model, because embedding model is a model which will help to convert the numbers, okay, as a human readable to the machine readable. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, so this is embedding model and this is knowledge base. Now we'll see why importance of this. Okay, why we are doing all this kind of the things. What is the importance and what is the need of, not importance. What is the need of this particular thing? So anyone can tell me what is the need of this? Any ideas?
What is it? What is the question?
What is the need of whatever that we are creating the knowledge base? Why we are creating this knowledge base and doing this lot of stuff?
Like I think I know the vector DB is basically used for like large databases, right? To maintain
Uh,
the large
no, no,
databases.
no, no.
Knowledge base, I think. I mean, like to uh, store all the data and give a meaningful input or something output.
No. Okay, no issue. I will give you why we are doing all this kind of stuff. Okay. So basically, if you will see, okay, I will go to the chat GPT, so that will give you the better understanding. Okay. So now If you will go and ask, take the anyone's name like Vivek Agarwal. Hey, do you know about Vivek Agarwal company details? Let's see what's the reply that we will get. See, so we are getting something different. Vivek Agarwal. Okay, there are multiple Vivek Agarwal that we have been received. Okay, this is not what that we are looking for. Okay, and when you are creating the chatbot for your company in that condition, you need the chatbot should be reply and talk for your own data, not the specific one. Okay, now take an example of take anyone other's name. I think let me take one. Okay, Shubham. Okay, do you know Shubham Arote? Shubham, is it right? This is detail of yours. Hey Shubham, I think he's not there. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Shubham, is it your details?
Yeah.
Okay. So how it will get? Now we will talk on this. They search on the all this data. Okay. So they have that particular capability, so they can able to search on it. Okay, search from the Google. But when we talk about very specific, okay, very specific, so in that case it will not going to be give the answer. Okay, now if I will ask, tell me about the details of family details of him, his, sorry, my bad. How much correct, Shubham, it is?
It's not correct.
Yeah. Okay, now let's see. Any how I can contact him? Do you have any way or link? Okay, so provide me its LinkedIn profile. See, so this is the issues that currently there are a lot of the chatbot are surfing for. Okay, suffering for. Okay, so now in that case, what the companies are saying. So if you will see, so you have a particular model. Okay, you have a particular model. In that model, what you have to do, you have like chat with company data. Okay, you have to chat with the company data. Okay, so in that scenario you need the company data na? Without taking care of the and including the company data, you are not able to do it. Okay, so in that case need company data. Now if we will see, we already talk about the company data format here. So the company data is different data sources. Okay, so you cannot be put the whole data into the single one. Okay, and there's one more thing that we discussed in the last session, that each LLM model have context length issue. Okay, context length issue is there, so you cannot be pass like they have the limit of either 8K or 32K or 128K, or Gemini have the 1 million. Okay, so this is all about that's available. Okay, so in that case you have the plenty of data here. You have the like GBs of data. I already written here GBs of the data. So you cannot pass that whole data to your LLM. Okay, so in that scenario what we have to do, we have to do the chunking. Okay, and create the particular chunks on that data. So what will happen, your model, you have to pass that data to the model and then model will be able to answer it. Now how we can do it? Okay, take example that I will take the data of like Shubham here. So Shubham data as follows. Okay, so I will put he have two brothers having good job, lives in Mumbai, contact number, we can say like uh, something like this, and having a good family and father and is a government job and mother is housewife. So something. Shubham, don't be mind, okay? This is dummy data. As follows. So this is the data. Okay. Now, if I will ask now the details, what is the number of Shubham? Now he have that data, so it will give me. Okay. Again, it's not giving me. Wait. Uh, I think there is some. What Shubham father doing or his job? See, so this is how that we will able to give the context. This is known as the context that we are giving to our model, to our chat. Okay, so before giving directly to the context, we need to create a knowledge base. Okay, so this is what that we learned yesterday, sorry, last session. Now I will give you the proper understanding. Okay, so we have a proper Google Colab sheet. Okay, so where you have the data sources, FAQ database, customer support database. Okay, there are a lot of database are available. This is all the packages that you have to be installed. So I already installed it. Okay, and so this is a function where databases are available, data sources, different data sources are available. The first one is the .pdf, then .csv, .text. Okay, and we are loading the data. So this is the about us .pdf. So I will run this. Okay, so I will giving that data. So that data has been loaded and it is available in the loaded data variable. Okay, so we'll wait. Okay, so that's done. Now data pre-processing engine. So we have cleaning, structure, formatting, convert to single. So everything again it is available here. We already done everything. So you have to go and run it and we'll see. So data is ready for next step. Then we will do the splitting and chunking. Okay, so I will run this particular. So data has been split and chunked properly. So I will now show you the chunked data. Okay, see, this is the chunk data. So they are the chunk data. So I will give you the length of the chunk data as well. So you will able to see this is a data has been converted into the 5 chunks. Okay, so I will show you the chunk one. Okay, chunk data 0. See, this is chunk data 0. Okay, and this is chunk data 1. Okay, so this is how that we split and chunked it. Now we are using, now we have to convert into the embedding. So we have the proper embedding. So I will run this particular embedding. Okay, oh, replace with the OpenAI key. Okay, 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 Okay. So yeah, that's actually OpenAI, but you guys don't have the OpenAI key. So I will not recommend you. We will change the code and we will update with the uh, hugging face, and that will be helpful for you. Okay. So currently I will add my OpenAI key. Give me a bit, but I will not recommend to you guys. Don't waste your money. Okay. So we'll update the column notebook and we'll share you. Okay, but for your understanding and explanation, uh I will add my one. Okay, give me a bit, I'm logging it. Keys. Okay, so I copy. Yeah, so this is my key. Okay, now when I run this, okay, fires. Okay, I have to install it, I forget, my bad. Yeah, so I will install the fires. Fires is a vector db. Okay, so embedding model, vector db. Okay, I will explain the everything one more time, don't worry, and give you the proper mapping. Okay, so it's converting into it. So it's creating the embeddings. So it's downloading few packages. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now we'll see embeddings. So this is the embeddings. Okay, store data and fires, everything is available here. Now if we will print all this variable, so let's see what's the values that we are getting. Okay, okay, so this is a knowledge base. Okay, I will just print this one, so that will helpful. Yeah, so our knowledge base has been done. Now I will retrieve documents have the whole data. Okay, and this is variable index. Fires index is the variable. I don't think it has anything. So yeah, so this is a store data, as you can see, the whole data which is available there. So that's the store data. Then we have the embeddings. Okay, oh, embedding is not defined. Okay, so this is how that the whole code, okay, or the image that we have been learning has been converted. So here, if I will say embedding model, which one we use OpenAI embedding model. I will not recommend everyone to use it. Okay, it's very expensive. Soon I will update the column notebook and share in the group. Okay, and vector db, we use the fires vector db. Okay, we already have the lot of the vector dbs available in the market that we have a look yes in the last session. So that's you can use it. Chunking and splitting, again based on the data that you have to be used. If I will show you here what has been done. Okay, so where's the chunking? Yeah, we use a recursive character text splitter chunk. Okay, we don't have the other one, we are using this one. But again, you can use whatever your use case, and based on that you will able to get to know how the things are working. Okay, that's the hit and try totally. So this is how that is work. Now if we talk about the image number second. Okay, so what will happen after that particular our knowledge base. So we'll now talk on that particular topic. So I will open that image. Okay, give me a bit. So yeah, everyone is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Yeah, so now your knowledge base is ready. Now what will happen, that's the interesting part. So please focus here. Okay, so how the things are work now. So this is a user. Okay, so okay, this is a user. Now whatever the query user will give, that query will go into the knowledge base. Why knowledge base? Because I will remove this. So yeah, I'm going to shift it. Okay, so that will easy to for us. Okay, so now this is our user. User will do the query. Obviously, if we will go into the chatbot, then user will give the query. Okay, they need and looking for something it's looking for. Okay, so in that condition, whenever user will give the query, it will give into knowledge base. Why we choose a knowledge base here? Because the whole data is available in the knowledge base. Okay, that's we already see whole type of data, single formatting, chunking, and all these things. So I have the few like data types. So HR data, finance data. Okay, HR data, finance data, technical data. Okay, and job openings. Okay, so this is what that is available in the data. Now a particular user come and they are talking about the technical data. Okay, asking, not talking, sorry. He is asking about the technical data. Okay, so what will happen, we already create the different chunks and put it into the vector db, and after that we created a knowledge base. Now what we have to do, we when particular user will giving the question, okay, then we have to search what particular knowledge base, or what particular, not particular knowledge base, what the particular chunk is available, which is totally related to the user query. I am repeating one more time. User give the query. Okay, I am writing here user query. Okay, we know that is related to the, okay, technical data. Okay, and we have in our knowledge base, I will recommend as kb. Okay, small kb. Okay, we have the knowledge base that have the data of 10 GB into chunks format. Okay, it is available in the chunks format. This is how that's it is there. So in that case, whenever the user will give the technical data intent query, okay, so what will happen, I will search and use cosine similarity. Okay, cosine similarity formula, and take out similar chunk from the bunch of chunks, or kb, whatever that you can say, or from the bunch of chunks. Got it? So what will happen in that scenario, whenever the user will come and give the query, I will give the whole data whatever available here, and with the help of the cosine similarity formula, the cosine similarity formula, what is the cosine similarity formula, I will ask ChatGPT in front of you. Cosine similarity formula, give me example, like I am a fifth class student. Yeah, see, uh let's rephrase it. Not formula, explain me cosine similarity concept. Yeah, I think that would be much better. Oh, that's very big. Let's cosine similarity for two uh, words, and I am fetching data from the corpus. Yeah, see. So sentence 1, I like ice cream. Sentence 2, I love ice cream. We count how many ice creams, how many times the I, this is all is coming, and on the basis of that we will come into the proper formula and we will drive it and how much it is similar. So the first one is I like ice cream, I love ice cream. Okay, so 70% similar. So this is a way that formula is implemented. Okay, this is a way this formula is implemented already in a lot of the libraries, and you have to just give the name of the cosine similarity. So the user query, okay, it will take the user query, okay, and put it into bunch of the chunks or the whole knowledge base that we have here, and from there it will retrieve the context which is similar to the user query. So this is how that you will able to get the retrieve or context. Okay, related context. Okay, or we can say chunk. So this is step 1. After that what will happen, you have the related chunk here. Okay, you have now related chunks that will go into the AI engine. You have to define your LLM model, which LLM model that you have to use. Then you have to give the prompt template, means what are the role that you have been assigned to your system. This is known as the prompt template. Okay, and after that memory means whatever the conversation is happening, you have to keep it into the, you have to store somewhere, and you have to give the AI engine. After giving all these four parameters, this is 3, okay, and this is 1, the four parameter, you have to give this whole data, okay, this whole data, and process it. Once you will process it, then you will get the output. This is the output that you will get. And every time the second query will be coming into the picture, that will related to the HR, then again the cosine similarity formula will hit. Okay, and you will get the related context chunk, and you again have to be already, you already defined the LLM model, prompt template, and memory, then you will able to do it all these particular things. So this is how that it's work. Anyone have any doubt, please go ahead, because this is very important. Okay, and this is how that the whole GenAI is connected, and this is how that the whole GenAI is currently working. Okay, you have to create the proper knowledge base, then take a privilege of that knowledge base and able to, and once you will able to do it, then you will able to complete your basic chatbot. It's very easily.
Okay, Deepak.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are creating our company's database.
yeah,
Okay, the user asks something which is particular thing which is not available in the database.
okay.
Then the creator of the database on and all this thing, we do we need to already define particular thing for this situation?
Yeah, so what will happen if the user will ask, which is you will not get the from your chunk of data or the your similarity formula. Okay, if we will see similarity is 55 75%. Okay, but sometime what will happen, the user query and the data is not available, then what will happen, your similarity formula is lower than the 30 or 20. Agree?
Yeah.
In that condition you have to put it a rule over there. If the similarity formula or you will not get the enough data which is, or enough context data related to the user query, in that scenario you have to give this particular reply, this particular instructions that you have to give into your prompt template.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a edge case. This is, I'm very much happy that you think about that particular direction. Hats off to you that you are going into the right direction. This kind of the edge cases that you have to be taken care with the help of the your like prompt template and all this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I
Okay,
got.
that's great. Yeah, anyone else? I think you can think one more time, no issue. Let me know what you are thinking about it.
The screenshot stuck on ChatGPT.
Okay, okay. So here it is. Now great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't understand the last one. API, API endpoint integrate
Yeah.
into your.
So after doing this, so you have to give the API to your developer. So they will able to integrate your particular solution to the application and the product or the website. So in that scenario, you have to uh, build like your particular, sorry, okay. So here you have to build fast API or flask API. Got it? So with the help of that, you can able to do it, because you cannot give the Python file now. So in that scenario, you need a proper and you have to give the proper understanding of and the code to your developer, so they will able to call the API and do their work.
Mhm. Okay, okay.
Yeah, no one. Okay, no issue. So this is like all about. Okay, so
Yeah,
how?
Deepak,
Yeah, yeah,
I
please
have
go ahead.
one doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you show me the diagram?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Here, every user's query is going through the database and all this process, right?
Yeah, every time whenever
Prompt
the user will do
engineering
the
is.
query, yeah, whenever the user will do the query, it will go into the that particular knowledge base. On the basis of that, you will fetch out the chunks. Yeah, please go ahead.
Mhm. Yeah. Uh, the prompt engineering is very much useful when the user gives in particular like organized way so that the procedure of like searching and giving the result will be fast and accurate, right?
I didn't understand. Can you please repeat?
Uh, some person don't know prompt engineering,
Okay.
so it gave the query like normal text,
Okay.
and the AI and all LLM will take the search for the database, knowledge base, and give the output, right?
Yeah.
If another person who is aware of prompt engineering and he gave query in like organized way, so the procedure of all this will be fast and accurate, right?
Uh, this is not fixed. It's totally depend how you are integrating. What is a uh like what I can say, how you are integrating, what is your use case, what is your data format. You cannot be defined this is a particular formula to get a best results.
Okay, okay, mhm.
Okay, this is there are a lot of things are available.
Okay. What is the use of prompt template?
Yeah, so prompt template means you have to define your prompt instructions, what you are going to do, what's your job. If you will see here, this is a prompt, okay, that I have been given. Read it.
Okay, in that we are also providing the don't give personal data.
Yeah, yeah, everything that you have to define in the prompt. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where that, take example that you are saying to a particular student, this is what that you have to do, this is what that you don't have to do when you are going outside. So this is all the instructions, like a program that we are giving. So that's the same thing that you have to do in the prompt itself.
Okay, okay.
Anyone else? Because guys, this is very important concept, so you have to be understand this. So that's why I'm just keep on asking.
सर,
Yeah, good.
कोई प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल है जिससे हम जनरेटिव एआई और एआई सीख सकते प्रॉपरली?
ओके, बिल्कुल है। हमारा ही प्लेटफॉर्म है, आप उससे सीखिए। आपको मतलब इन्हीं बेसिक फ्लो बताता हूँ तो आपको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन, आपको थोड़ा हेल्प होगा, ठीक है।
ठीक है।
सो बेसिकली let me, yeah, I think yeah, this is it. So first you have to enroll on website. Okay, then we'll take your one-to-one interview. Okay, with our AI solution. Okay, 45 मिनट का वो इंटरव्यू होता है।
उसमें क्या होता है सर, टेक्निकल से रिलेटेड?
हाँ, उसमें क्या होता है, सो डिटेल्स अबाउट इंटरव्यू, ठीक है। तो उसमें हम आपसे आपका रिज्यूम लेंगे और आपका इंटरेस्ट एरिया फिगर आउट करने की ट्राई करेंगे। प्लस इंटरेस्ट और रिज्यूम के बेसिस पे हम फिगर आउट करेंगे कि आपका बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पर है। ओके,
ओके।
आपका बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे आ रहा है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात ये है व्हाट लेवल करंटली दैट यू आर,
ओके।
ठीक है। और इंडस्ट्री के लिए आप कितना रेडी हैं। तो ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, हम पूछते हैं, फिर उन क्वेश्चंस को एनालाइज करके विद इन 48 आवर्स में हम एक रिपोर्ट बना के सेंड करते हैं ईच कैंडिडेट को, ठीक है।
ओके।
और उस रिपोर्ट में क्या होता है, उस रिपोर्ट में बेसिक डिटेल्स होती है कि आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज कौन से हैं, वीक एरियाज कौन से हैं, ठीक है। और हाउ मच यू आर इंडस्ट्री रेडी। ये मार्केट में अभी कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है, आप कहीं भी गूगल कर लोगे आपको पता चल जाएगा। इन परसेंटेज हम बताएंगे। फिर उसके बाद ये सारा बताने के बाद हम आपसे इधर ये भी पूछेंगे कि आपको कौन से रोल में जाना पसंद है, विच रोल दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, ठीक है। फिर ये हो गया, यहाँ तक अपना क्लियर हो गया। फिर हम आपको एक पर्सनलाइज रोड मैप सेंड करेंगे, ठीक है। और हम आपको बताएंगे कि उस पर्सनलाइज रोड मैप में आपको कैसे कैसे क्या क्या पढ़ना है। एग्जाम्पल कि जैसे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं हमारे पास और वो बोलते हैं कि वी ऑलरेडी नो पाइथन वेरी गुड, okay, so we don't need to learn the python, okay, we have good understanding of python, okay, but we have the few students, ये group 1 है, okay, this is group 1, this is group 2 of students, okay, this is group 2 of the students who are saying that we don't know about python. So in that case what will happen, whatever the roadmap that we are trying to give, which is not going to be applicable for this both groups. So in that scenario, we are creating the personalized roadmap. क्योंकि कभी कभी ये भी होता है ना कि you are going to build, you are going to build something on the Python, but after building it, you will able to get to know कि how much I know and how much I don't know. So that's why we are creating the personalized roadmap. Once the personalized roadmap has been assigned to you, then all resources, courses, projects is mentioned in that one. So this is how that you will able to learn whatever the role that you are looking for. Got it?
ओके। और इज दिस लाइव टीचिंग और ओनली यू साइन द रोड मैप?
No, we will give you the sign the roadmap, and अगर वहां पे कोई कोहर्ट चल रहा होगा तो आप कोहर्ट में आ सकते हैं, अगर कोहर्ट नहीं चल रहा होगा उस समय तो उसका तो हम भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते अभी के लिए। ऐसा।
ओके। इसके
Okay,
लिए कुछ चार्जेस होते हैं सर?
so yeah, so I will explain about the charges. The whole courses, material, projects, everything is free of cost. Okay, and everything is available on YouTube. Okay, and we have like our website academy.hides.xyz. Okay, now the thing is that there are the few people who want to only learn. They don't want to be know how much that they are doing. So what the things are there, the courses, projects, resources, everything is free of cost. But here, if you want to know about your progress, okay, और your evaluation आप चाहते हैं कि you want to know how well that I am doing, and how much that I have been covered till now, and what is the process to be make sure that I will able to get a good job. So in that scenario you have to give, or you can apply for the interview, that इतना मेरा complete हो गया है, week by week interview is there, week by week interview is there. Okay, so in that scenario, you have to be apply for the interview, and that interview is chargeable. And how much is chargeable? Is between 100 to 1000 only, not more than 1000, not less than 100. So this
Okay.
is one thing. If you want the doubt session, one to one doubt session also if you want, then again it is between 100 to 1000. So this is the only two things that, and also mentorship की आपको चाहिए कि यार मैं आऊँ मैं आपसे बात करूँ, तो again that will not into 1 to 1000, it will, sorry, 1 to 1 mentorship also again in this one. So वहाँ पे कुछ experts आएंगे और वो आपसे बात करेंगे. Got it?
Okay.
So this is where that we are taking the money, and this
Okay.
is free of cost.
For only interviews, doubt session and mentorship.
Yeah,
ओके। और जो भी रिसोर्सेस रहेंगे वो किस टाइप के रहेंगे सर? मीन्स यूट्यूब या अनदर
everything,
प्लेटफॉर्म?
everything. I will show you that as well. Okay, so this is our YouTube. Okay, this is our YouTube. So you can go on the YouTube and everything is available there, as you can see.
यस।
Okay, आप जाइए यहाँ से पढ़िए, आपको कोई नहीं रोक रहा है. After that we have this academy.hidevs.xyz. यहाँ पे भी सारे कोर्सेज फ्री हैं, सब कुछ फ्री में है, आपको सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा जब आप इसको कंप्लीट करोगे.
ओके।
ओके, ये भी फ्री है. आप अगर इसमें जाते हैं तो आप इसमें देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, अगेन वीक बाय वीक, टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक, और प्रोजेक्ट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, अगेन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. प्रोजेक्ट्स का भी कोई पैसा नहीं है. लेकिन आफ्टर यू आर कंप्लीटिंग द 1 week or any week, and you are saying that I want to make uh, I want to make sorry, I want to know about what has been done so far in the week 1. So in that condition you have to submit your project, and we will ask the question based on your project by the interview.
ओके।
So this is how that it's work. लेकिन आप बोलते हो नहीं यार मैं प्रोजेक्ट अपने आप कर लूंगी, we don't have any issue, you can do it, we don't have any issue.
ओके। और किस तरह से एनरोल कर सकते हो? फर्स्ट डे में आपने सर लिंक से शेयर की थी।
हाँ उसी में ही होगा. आप
ओके।
अगर हाइडेव्स पे जाएंगे और एनरोल नाउ पे क्लिक करके फॉर्म आएगा. सो दिस इज आवर वेबसाइट. ओके, so
ओके।
you have to just click on enroll now. So this is a form that you have to fill, and once you will fill it, then you can good to.
ओके। ऑलरेडी मैंने फिलअप किया है सर ये फॉर्म। और मैं
Okay.
एज अ डेटा साइंटिस्ट, जूनियर डेटा साइंटिस्ट वर्क करती हूँ एक कंपनी में पुणे में
Okay.
पास्ट 7 to 8 मंथ से। और मैं 10 मंथ्स की ऑलरेडी मेरी इंटर्नशिप भी कंप्लीट है डेटा साइंस में। लेकिन मुझे जेनेटिव एआई से रिलेटेड सीखना था।
ओके, सो वही है. अब आप खुद देखो ना कि अभी आपने पढ़ा है, काफी कुछ पढ़ा है, लेकिन कोई वैलिडेट नहीं कर रहा है उसको कि आपने कितना पढ़ा है, आपको कितना समझ में आया है. एग्री
यस सर।
है ना? आप किसी भी कोर्स पे चले जाओगे, किसी भी मार्केट में कहीं भी चले जाओ, तो वो आपको खाली पढ़ा देंगे और सर्टिफिकेट दे देंगे और 2-4 प्रोजेक्ट करा देंगे,
यस सर।
लेकिन कोई आपको इवेल्यूएट करके बताएगा नहीं कि आपके नंबर कितने आए.
यस यस।
So that's why we are unique from others. Or once you will complete your week, then this is our leaderboard, and we will put you in the leaderboard, and people will able to get to know about you. Ki yeah, you are doing all this stuff currently.
दैट्स ग्रेट।
Your voice is breaking. Sorry.
That's great, I said.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Definitely. Yeah. So, anyone else?
Yeah, Deepak, I have two doubts.
Please go ahead.
Okay, we are using LLMs, right?
Yeah.
So can LLM like take our data and use it out of our company?
No, if you are using closed source, then yes. If you are using open source, then no.
Okay, well, open source, it's no. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know SQL injections?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we like bypass the like restrictions of particular data and take out the data in this model?
No, 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 no. This is not going to be happen.
Okay.
But it
Okay.
can be happen if you can hijack a particular LLM model by jailbreaking prompt. Okay, so that's the few methods are available in the
Yeah,
market.
there will be some prompt
Yeah, yeah.
techniques here.
But
Yeah.
yeah, but yeah, you have to define your system prompt very well, so they will not
Yeah.
able to do it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else? Okay, I think no questions. Okay then, that's it for today. Okay, thank you, Jyoti, for clapping. Okay, so thank you for everyone for today. Okay, we'll now do the practical of the second image. Okay, and then we'll learn few more things. And okay, so and I already explained what we are doing and how we are doing. So that's it. Yeah. Okay then, everyone. Bye. Take care. Have a great weekend.
Okay, Deepak. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.